There are new babies today. I'm coming in slow because I don't want to disturb them. They're about a day or two old. And the goose hatched ducks. And after she hatched them, I gave her a couple more so that she could raise them. So half of them are over here. Let's go find the others. Why aren't you guys with your mama and your dad? Maybe I should just try and get you over there. You just want to stay close to the nest? Yeah, that one's trying to get back in the nest. These chickens are in the way. Get out here, chickens. That's not for you. Hi, little babies. These are so cute.